Quokka. Often called the world's happiest animal due to their permanent smile. They are small marsupials that have zero fear of humans, making them the ultimate selfie subject. Red Panda. With their shaggy red fur, adorable cat-like faces, and long, bushy tails, the red panda looks like a mix between a raccoon and a teddy bear. Their shy, clumsy movements are instantly lovable. Fennec Fox. They are the smallest fox species, but have disproportionately huge ears that help them regulate heat in the Sahara Desert. Their tiny paws and playful nature make them look like real-life Pokémon. Sea Otter. These marine mammals are known for holding hands while sleeping so they don't drift apart. They also juggle small rocks and carry their pups on their bellies. Pure ocean cuteness. Giant Panda. The iconic black and white markings, round faces, and constant state of clumsiness while eating bamboo make the giant panda universally adored. They are the symbol of animal conservation cuteness. Pygmy Marmoset. The smallest monkey in the world, often fitting in the palm of a human hand. They have expressive eyes and tiny tufts of fur around their faces. Hedgehog. Known for their spiky armor, tiny snouts, and habit of rolling into a tight ball. When they're not rolled up, their curious nature and wiggling noses are utterly charming. Sloth. Their slow-motion movements, smiling faces, and long, gangly arms make them an internet favorite. Baby sloths hanging onto their mothers are particularly viral-worthy. Axolotl. The Mexican walking fish is an aquatic salamander that never fully grows up, keeping its adorable, feathery gills and perpetual smile throughout its life. They are a viral sensation in the exotic pet community. Baby elephant. While adult elephants are majestic, their calves are unbelievably clumsy, playful, and struggle hilariously to control their trunks. They are the definition of cute baby animals in the wild. If you want to watch all about happy animals, dodo and cutest, beautiful and funny animals sound, don't forget to subscribe Nature with Animals.